So that's fairly straightforward. We've got n equals 5. We've got P 0.8, 80% of success rate, and we are talking about hitting it twice. X equals 2. So probability X equals 2 is 5, choose 2, 5 chances, get it right twice, 0.8 2 times, I succeeded twice, I must have failed 0.2 3 times. Right. Straight through. Whatever that is, you get your probability. Straight from the CAS.
Hey sir, when did you get 2?
2? Exactly twice. Yep, so that's what we want. 2 successes. Now, is everyone happy with that one? That's the way we've done our normal thing. 2 out of 5, straight into the binomial, away we go. This time, probability more than 3. Probability X is greater than 3. Now, you need to be careful with the language. Worry about is it greater than, or equal to. This case says more than 3 times. So to be successful, I either hit the target 4 times, or plus, remember or is plus, I hit the target 5 times. If I hit it 4 out of 5, I'm happy. If I hit it 5 out of 5, I'm extremely happy. And that's my probability. So, first I'll do the manual setup and then we'll talk about how to do it in the CAS. If you're doing manually, probability X equals 4, 5C4, 0.8 to the power of 4, 0.2 to the power of 1. 4 successes, 1 failure. Or plus 5C5, because another thing they do, they often set these up in multiple choice and you have to circle the red, they write them out like that and you've got to circle the correct option. 0.8 to the power of 5, 0.2 to the power of 0. Someone do that for me, please. And tell me what we do. I'm trying something else. Success. What do we get? 73728. Okay, back to the CAS. To something else. Go through like we did to distribution. So menu, probability, distribution. Except this time, scroll down and you'll see that E says binomial CDF. Yeah? So option D was PDF, which is an individual number. CDF, C stands for cumulative, adding up more than one thing. So, okay, this was easy. But if I said to you it was 15 shots, what's the chance of getting more than 3? You'd have to do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way to 15. Forget it. You're not going to do that. You do CDF. When you go to the CDF box, it asks you for N, 10, 5, whatever. In this case, it's 5. It asks you for P, same story, 0.8. It asks you for lower bound. The lower bound in this one is the one that you first count. So you put in 4. Right? It's x is greater than 3. So the first number you'd have is 4. And the upper bound in this case would be 5. And bang, you get 0.737 straight away. Alright? But important with this, please, the lower and upper bounds have to be the equals to. So greater than or equal to 3, we would use 3. Greater than 3, we use 4. It's the first number that's equal. And away you plug. Right. Lower bound's 4, upper bound's 5. Because it's discrete, so it has to be countable values. So 4 is the first number that I'm going to count. And like I said, for this one makes no difference. But if I asked you to do all the way to 10, you could appreciate it's quicker to go 4 and 10 than it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? All right. Last one, and then we'll have a little bit of a break, and then talk about some other things. What's the chance of being successful on the first and fifth attempts only? If they tell you the order, throw away the C. I'll say that again. If they tell you the order, throw away the C. Because the C is combinations. The C is choice. I have a choice. I could be success, fail, success. I could be success, success, fail. I don't know about the order. I have to put the C guy in for all the combinations. In this instance, I want success, fail, 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 success. Right? They've told me when I'm going to succeed. Well, the chance of succeeding, 0.8. The chance of failing, 0.2. 0.2, 0.2, 0.8. So if you think about it, I'm going to have 2 successes, 0.8 twice. I'm going to have 3 failures, but there's no one sitting at the front because there's no decision to make. Does that make sense? There's no choice. I'm telling you when you're going to succeed. I'm telling you when you're going to fail. So if they tell you when it happens, no choice. No choice, no C. That's my little song for this time. Alright, you know there's always a little catchy. No choice, no C. Simple as that. As soon as the order's there. So if I say da-da-da, what's the chance that LeBron makes the 5th and the 7th attempt? I've told you when he's going to be successful. The rest of it must be failures. No combinations, no choice.